North Indian dynasties.
First one, Mauryas. Chandragupta Maurya was the founder of Mauryas dynasty. Ashoka was the prominent ruler of the Mauryas dynasty. The capital of Mauryas is Pataliputra. Kushanas. Kuchala Kadphisas was the founder of Kushanas dynasty. Kanishka was the prominent ruler of Kushanas dynasty. The capital of Kushanas dynasty is Purushapura. Guptas. Sri Gupta was the founder of the Guptas dynasty. Samudragupta was the prominent ruler of Guptas dynasty. The capital of Guptas is Pataliputra. Pushabhuti was the founder of Vardhana's dynasty. The Harshavardhana was the prominent ruler of Vardhana's dynasty. The capital of Vardhana's dynasty is Kanauji. Raja Durlabha Vardhana was the founder of Karkota dynasty. Daitaditya was the prominent ruler of Karkota dynasty. The capital of Karkota dynasty is Kashmir. Ahom dynasty. Sukapa was the founder of the Ahom dynasty. Supata was the prominent ruler of the Ahom dynasty. The capital of Ahom dynasty is Chandigarh. Gurja Pratyahara dynasty. King Bhoja was the founder of Gurjara Pratyahara. Nagabhatta was the prominent ruler of the Gurjara Pratyahara. The capital of Gurjara Pratyahara is Kanauja. Palas dynasty. Gopal was the founder of the Palas dynasty. Dharmapala was the prominent ruler of the Palas dynasty. The capital was the Palas dynasty is Kanoja. Chauhan's dynasty. Vasudeva was the founder of Chauhan's dynasty. Prithviraj III was the prominent ruler of the Chauhan's dynasty. The capital city of Chauhan's is Ajmer. The Guhilas. Bappa Rawal was the founder was the Guhilas dynasty. Rana Sang was the prominent ruler of the Guhilas dynasty. The capital of Guhilas dynasty Chhattisgarh. Thank you.